Hi, and welcome to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about some infusions. So what I did today is, a few days ago, about maybe 3 days ago, is I did a gin infusion using Aviation Gin. You know, Ryan Reynolds gin. If you've seen a commercial where he says that the citrus has been misted with the tears of its owner. So basically, he got Deadpool tears in here, bro. So that's pretty cool. So actually, no, it's a really good gin. I prefer American style gins over the London dries. I like that more citrus forward. That's just me. Use whatever gin you like. So what I did is I took a mason jar, which is 2 cups, and I infused it with some Tazo Passion tea, which is basically a hibiscus tea pumped up a little bit. I've used some hibiscus tea, but I do like the Tazo Passion better. In addition to the hibiscus, which is the main ingredient, it also has licorice root, orange peel, cinnamon rosehip, and lemongrass. And I really think that adds to the hibiscus that you would normally get in a hibiscus tea. So this way I took 2 tea bags, put it in a mason jar with 2 cups of Aviation Gin. Let that sit for 3 days, pull that out, and so now we have some hibiscus, if you want to call it, whatever, some Tazo Passion infused gin. So we're going to be doing a gin sour with this. Let me put this away. And if you haven't seen my video on the strawberry basil bourbon smash, check out that video right here. Maybe right here. This was from Jay Cody on Food Network Stars. His recipe, kind of broken down, making it low carb. Wow, that's really good. So basically, we're going to go ahead and build this out. So in our tin, we're going to use 2 ounces of a sour mix. So in here, we're going to do 2 ounces, which was equal to 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of a simple syrup. So this is going to have 2 carbs per ounce. So we're going to do one. I should have used the 2 ounce side, but I'm on video number 3. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know how that goes. So 2 ounces of my lemon sour mix. We're going to do 2 ounces of our Tazo Passion infused tea. And 2 ounces of that. We're going to add some ice to this. And let's go ahead and cap this off. And there we go. What we're going to do is we're going to double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. Into a chilled coupe glass. Let me get my Hawthorne strainer and fine mesh strainer. If you ever hear the term double straining, they mean straining once with a Hawthorne and then a fine mesh. What that does, it takes all the broken ice chips, because as you're shaking it, not only are you getting the chill and the dilution, your ice is breaking up in order to create that chill and dilution. So we try to pull out all those ice chips, because if you just use a Hawthorne strainer, you're going to get some ice chips into your cocktail. So we're going to double strain this. Oh man, that's a beautiful color there. All right. Put all that aside. We're gonna go ahead and garnish this with a lemon twist. We'll grab a lemon, vegetable peeler. Now the point behind this is not just to have the lemon on it, but express the oils. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of pinch this so the skin side is facing the glass. You're gonna pinch this and just kind of swipe across the drink as you go. And that's gonna express some of the lemon oils into the drink itself. And once you do that, you'll feel the outside skin a little bit wet, and that's from the oils. And then also you want to go ahead and rub that around the glass as well. I'm gonna just go ahead and twist that a little bit. Drop that in as a pretty garnish. And there you have the Aviation Tazo Passion Sour. Whatever you want to call it. I'm just calling it a gin passion sour. So let's go give this a try. Oh, that is so delicious. I've been smelling it for the last couple of days, and it smells great, and it tastes even better. You get that nice floral from the hibiscus, and then that just citrus from the lemongrass and the lemon juice added to it, and a slight sweetness on the from the simple syrup. This was made with an allulose. You can check in the description below. There'll be a link to Amazon where you can purchase some allulose. It is an affiliate link, so it does help me out. So I would appreciate you doing that. Also, if you like the content I'm putting out and you're in a position where you can support me, I would greatly appreciate that. I do have a Patreon page. The link is in the description below. You can do anything as low as $1 on up to $10 a month, and it'll help me out. And guys, booze isn't cheap because I don't buy Taka vodka. I don't buy, no brand gins. I do try to keep things on a budget. All right, guys, y'all have a great night, because when I'm done this one, I'm gonna have a great night too. Cheers. Oh, that's so delicious. All right, see y'all later.